GOKARAJU RANGARAJU Institute of Engineering and Technology. Department of Basic Sciences and Humanities. Vision and mission of GRIET. Vision: to be among the best of the institutions for engineers and technologists with attitudes, skills and knowledge, and to become an epicenter of creative solutions. Mission: to achieve and impart quality education with an emphasis on practical skills and social relevance. GRIET Campus. First year B.TECH. This institute admits 1200 students across 6 engineering streams: C, E, B, ES, CSE and AT. A 4-day orientation program is organized to familiarize parents and students. The first year administration is controlled by HOD Drive. B. Srinivasa Rao, who is the current incumbent. First year block. First year classes for all disciplines are conducted in Block 3. The Block 3 is a 7-story building, constitutes library, design, principal office etc. Most of the classrooms are fitted with LED projectors. To follow green energy initiative, this building is installed with solar panels to a capacity of 300 kilowatts.